my son's 3 toys, and let me see, one here, one there, and this one right here. Okay guys, now I'm doing a review of my son's trucks. This is awesome. I love it. It's got a lot of little functioning things. Spins. That's a whole bunch of little cool activities. This is pretty cool. In a minute I'll show you. You can also do this, like, not that, but this, and it goes by itself. That's a good thing. There's only 3 sets of these, which is the garbage truck, the dump truck, and the cement truck. So the dump truck, you go open this in the back, and I'm not too sure. I think you could open up the latch. There you go, and you have your own little dirt, whatever, you know. Just close it here. You press this right here to open up the latch. Also, it opened up on its own. So that's cool. And I'll show you afterwards when I actually play with it. This right here, I haven't played with it yet. What's back here? Oh, so it does open up. Man, I know it was open up, but this is cool. And what's this up here? Oh, okay, that's nothing. But, oh, hold up. I think this opens up too. Oh, it does. Oh, this is cool. Alright. Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, he loves these toys. Right now, he's sleeping, but later on when he wakes up, he will actually come and play with it again. Like I was trying to say, this is a button right here. You see, there's 3 of them. It has these little buttons. So this is so cool. And I think when you, it's like music. Yeah, it's like music, baby. And I guess when you press it again, it does like other different noises. This is so cool, yo. No lie. I think I should start doing my reviews on here on the floor with the baby's mat. It feels more comfortable. Yeah, I'm also eating as well. I got my sweet and sour chicken with some hot sauce and my chopsticks, as you know. Yeah, this is cool though. Yeah, this is good right here. Let me get a little fry right here. Yeah, there you go. Some little fries right here. Out of all this is the best thing right here. This right here. It's really good. So, you know, I love this. I'm happy that he likes it too. He loves it. You know, it's just so cool. This is an early Christmas gift I got for him, and we're in November, so yeah, this is an early Christmas gift. This is actually, I got him this. I got him some more toys coming, which I'm gonna do more reviews coming soon. And I got him a TV, a little 32-inch that you were about to see, or did you seen it, or whenever I put in the video. He has some more cool little things too. I'm gonna start doing reviews in here because the lighting is real good on this, and I love the way it's looking, HD quality.